And if you are here, you came to learn, then strive to be a good learner. Amen, ikaw ay nasa first year, nasasabihin mo rin sarili mo, gagalingan ko. While you are striving for being a good student, then follow someone with passion and purpose in life. Ang mga taong may purpose sa buhay, hindi ho yan nagsasayang ng oras. Hindi ho yan sanay mag-waste. Yan ang dahilan ng pagbagsak ng napakaraming estudyante. Yan ang dahilan kung bakit maraming estudyante ang hindi tumagal at nag-quit from being a student. Why is that? They followed the wrong person. You are striving to be a good student. And because you're striving to be an excellent student, you will find an excellent person with passion and purpose. As you follow him, don't change your lane. Nasa magandang lane ka na. Maayos ka na dyan, tapos mag-change ka ng lane. Kaya walang umaasenso sa buhay kasi kapatid, palipat-lipat. Why change your lane if you are very good at it? Don't change your lane.